Updates to the exposure limits and risk implications for the NIOSH Lifting Index have been under consideration for several years. Recently, in 2019, Bob Fox from General Motors, Jack Liu from NIOSH, and others conducted a systematic review of the high-quality epidemiological studies to better understand the relationship between the NIOSH Lifting Index results and low back health outcomes. As a result, they proposed the following updates to the exposure limits and risk implications to help practitioners better predict low back health outcomes during lifting and lowering tasks in the workplace. The researchers proposed the following items. First, they recommend 5 exposure levels compared to 3 in the past. Second, an exposure level of less than 1.5 is associated now with low risk. Third, however, consider efforts to lower the lifting index to values of 1 or less. Fourth, an exposure level of 2 or more is associated with high risk. And lastly, they updated the recommended actions for each exposure limit. So what does this mean? What's the bottom line? The bottom line is there's updates to the exposure limits and risk implications for the NIOSH Lifting Index to help practitioners better determine the acceptability of a lifting or lowering task in the workplace.